Hello students, welcome to the next session of our online spoken English class. And today in this class we are going to cover the chapter What Should I Wear, which is in the unit of fashion. So in this session you are going to listen to a text which is based on different materials with which the clothes are made. So listen to the text carefully, and then on the basis of the text you have to answer the questions which follows the text, which are on page number 61. So listen to the text carefully. Let's talk about clothing, or more specifically different materials that make clothing. The first material comes from sheep. We use it to make sweaters and gloves, scarves, and even hats. Do you know what it is? It is wool. This next material also comes from animals. It actually comes from the hide of animals or animal skin. We use it to make jackets and belts and shoes. Would you like to guess what it is? It is leather. The next material comes from trees and it is extracted from them to make a very bouncy material, very tough material, and we use it for buttons of shoes and sometimes for belts and jackets and things like that. Do you know what it is? It is rubber. This material comes from insects, not animals, and this material is very light and very smooth and soft and usually shiny. I am sure you have guessed what it is. Yes, it's silk. Coming up is the next material that actually comes from the ground. You have to dig into the ground to go and get it, and we use this material to make things like jewelry, such as bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. We also use it to make buttons sometimes. It's metal. The last material is very common. Almost everybody uses this material. It comes from a plant and we use it to make t-shirts, dresses, denim, for blue jeans, and socks, and a whole lot of things. It's cotton. So now on the basis of this reading, let's try to give answers to the following questions. Which of these is not made from the first material? So as we have listened to the text, the first material was wool. So what was not made of wool? It is shoes. Next, which of these is made from the second material? So as we recapitulate, the second material was leather. So belts are made of leather. Which of these is not made from the third material? The third material was rubber. So belts are made of rubber. Jackets are also sometimes made with rubber, but sweaters are not at all made of rubber. Next, material 4 is, so what was material 4? It is silk. So silk is heavy? No, it is not heavy. Yes, but it is soft. So the answer is soft. Now let's move on to the next page, that is page number 62. Which of these is not made from material 5? So material 5 is metal. Sweaters, necklaces, or buttons. Necklaces are made of metal. Buttons are also sometimes made with metal, but sweaters are never ever made of metals. They are made of wool. Next, which of these is made from the material mentioned at the end of the text? So the material which was mentioned at the end of the text was cotton. So which material, which cotton thing was made of, then of the last material? Shoes? No. Belts? No. Denim? Yes. Because the last material mentioned was cotton. So here we have done the exercise based on the listening of the text. So till the next session of the spoken English class, goodbye.